Hey y'all, I'm James. You could just call me Jamie. Over here I do lifestyle and travel content. So if that's your cup of tea, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join the community. And for my returning subbies, what's up my babies? What's up? Now let's get into this video. So I want to talk about why I feel like single mothers over the age of 40 should have their ass on YouTube. And the reason why I say if you're a single mother, especially if you're over 40, should be on YouTube is because YouTube is out here changing people's lives. And they're not just changing people's lives. No, they're changing people's lives, and it's for the better. And if you don't believe me, you can head on over there to DoorDash page and see. Yeah, she's not a mother, but you can see that from example, YouTube is changing people's lives. You got DoorDash out here. You have other big time mothers who I follow like Jeannie Janine and Peyton. YouTube is really out here changing people's lives, and it's for the better. And what I can say is I want a piece of that as well. I want a piece of that. And not only is it changing their lives for the better, these girls is doing the damn thing. They leveling up with it. They leveling up their little selves, level up their hair, makeup, clothes, cars, houses. YouTube is making a way for them to level up their lives. So it's money to be made, right? And I want to dive into how I got started. So like I said, I joined YouTube back in 2012, but I didn't post my first video until 2020. I can't think of the month, but I think October or something like that. So 2020 to be exact. So you might as well say my YouTube journey started in 2020. So I posted like any other. I post one video a week, and I did it for about a good year. I did a good little run, and then things changed after that. I started to not be consistent, and I stopped. Well, I started back in 2013, but I only posted one video, and that video was my trip to Chicago. And after that, I stopped posting. I just started posting back and being consistent this year, May. And I got monetized in August of this year. And I started off posting one video a week. And once I got monetized, I had to kick that up. I started posting 2 videos a week. But not only was I posting 2 videos a week, I started posting shorts on a regular. Because once you get monetized, all that counts within that watch out realm. You know what I'm saying? So I started posting shorts and things like that. But now it's to the point I'm hustling, I'm grinding, because now you want to try to make that $100 threshold. And making the $100 minimum threshold is okay. I'll say it's like a little tease. I made it, but now I'm hungry and I want more, because I see what YouTube and the algorithm is doing for others, and I want that same treatment. So I'm to the point in my life now where I'm hustling, and I'm hustling hard. I'm on a grind. I'm focused because I want to experience what YouTube algorithm, how they favoring other people. So, well, I don't want to necessarily say that they're favoring other people, but I guess what the algorithm likes is what I want to get to. So I'm just out here hustling and going hard for YouTube. Now, I have faced some challenges where I post a video, it's not really getting that many views. But at the end of the day, when you think no one is watching, someone is always watching. And not everybody's going to blow up overnight. You have to get to that point. You have to be consistent. You have to build your audience. You have to know who your target audience is. You get what I'm saying? So not everybody's going to blow up overnight. Sometimes it takes people a couple of years for the algorithm to get, like, we know what you posted. We know what your content is about. So let's help broaden or widen your experience and push it out to a wider audience. Because now that we know what your channel and you're being consistent, we know what your channel is about. You get what I'm saying? Not everybody blows up overnight. Not everybody gets monetized in a day, week, however it may be. But in order to see progress and get those views, you have to be consistent on YouTube. YouTube is a consistency thing. It's like having a 9-to-5. It's like a full-time job. But basically you on your own time and you have the flexibility. That's how YouTube goes. I can say that the benefits of being on YouTube is you can just look at others. You might start off, because I started off YouTube being just a side hustle, and I wanted to get to the point where I get that 1,000 subscribers, that 4,000 watch hours. Now that I'm monetized, this is like a job. This is your business. So you have to get out there and promote your business. It's not easy. I'm still learning, and I'm still struggling, and I'm still trying to figure out what algorithm likes from me. Because you can see when you look on my page, you can see that, hey, I throw out different stuff to see what may bite and who may get a certain amount of content. But even though I am the type of person that I want to do what makes me happy, I just don't want to do what everybody else doing or what makes everybody else happy. I want to do what makes me happy, because at the end of the day, I don't want to get burnt out. And if the audience likes it, I'll keep on doing it. But it's just like so many benefits, like people leveling up, people buying houses, people investing, people in starting business. And that's how you got to treat your YouTube. You got to treat your YouTube like a business. You're an entrepreneur. So you have to treat it such. YouTube is very flexible when it comes to you being a single mom. Whether you have a 9-to-5, whether YouTube is just going to be your 9-to-5, it's flexible. You're doing YouTube on your own time, what fits into your schedule. So if you got a 9-to-5 and you're only be able to fit YouTube in on the weekends or after work, you are able to do it. You still got people that's on YouTube and still working full-time jobs and still running businesses, and they're still doing YouTube and doing YouTube content. It's a space for everybody on YouTube. That's what YouTube is there for. YouTube is there for you to promote your creativity. So if you're a single mom juggling a part-time or full-time job or juggling kids, you should be on YouTube. Post the content. Everything is content. At this point, post you getting your kids ready for school. Post you getting them ready for the day. Post you getting yourself ready for work. Just post the content. That's all I can tell you to do. And like I said, it's a community out there for everybody. Single moms like to watch other single moms juggle their day. You get what I'm saying? It don't necessarily have to be that you're in your 40s. You could be a single mom, a teen mom, or you could be a mom in your 20s or a mom in your 30s, 40s, 50s. Single moms like to see how other single moms do things. Because you might be able to add value. Like, I do this way. Maybe you could try that to fit that into your schedule. So maybe it might work for you. That's what I'm saying. Single moms love to watch other single moms. That's why I say you need to have your ass on YouTube. Post your content. What someone else might do, you might not be able to do that, or you might can do that, but you might be able to do it better. You get what I'm saying? So post your content. Post your content. I post my content as far as me going to dashing up orders, posting it. That's content. That's lame. People like DoorDash content for some reason. They love it. They search for stuff like that. And by you being on YouTube, you're reaching a broader audience as a single mom over 40. And there's an opportunity for you to get monetized. There's sponsorships out there for you, which I've had people reach out to me when it comes to sponsorships, but nothing that too much that I'm really, I maybe had 1 or 2 that I really was interested in, but nothing major yet. But there's the opportunity for you to get paid from these sponsorships. So that would be another set of form of income for you besides the YouTube AdSense. So that's why I say post the content. You never know what's to come. You get what I'm saying? There's always opportunity to do affiliate marketing. If you're the single mom that does digital products, promote that. Promote your stuff. Post your content. And if you're a single mom, YouTube is very, I want to say, when you start to build that community, you will have the support. You will find your audience. That's why I say single moms like to watch other single moms. And I'm the type, when I see a single mom doing her thing on YouTube, I'm going to support, I'm going to show love. That other single moms is going to draw to you, and you're going to find your audience. So post your content. Some experience, get in these YouTube streets. I believe everybody should be on YouTube. To get started, you really don't have to do much. You can film off your phone. You don't need any fancy camera. If you're just getting started, I suggest you start filming on your phone. Get you a little cheap tripod if need be, but just get started. Start off with your phone. And then once you eventually start building a community and get monetized, then if you wanted to get better equipment, you can invest that stuff back into your channel. But to get started, you don't need much. Just start with your phone. All you need to be worrying about is just starting. And also making sure that you're staying consistent. Work around your schedule. If you are currently working a full-time job, at least post something. Even if you just post shorts, post something. Post if you're going to post long form content, post. But if you're going to post at least once a week. Post what fits your schedule. Okay, but you have to be consistent if you want to see yourself grow. If you want to see yourself eventually get monetized on a YouTube platform, you have to be consistent. That's the only way you're going to be able to level up that playing field and make more money on YouTube. Some ideas that single moms can create. You can create doing your daily life. You can give advice on being a single mom. You can do your family routine. You can do budgeting tips for being a single mom. You can share your stories. Just share your life. Post your content, because you're going to find the audience. Like I said, you're going to find an audience for that type of content. So there's some ideas I gave out to you. If you need any more tips on that, just ask me. But in order for you to get out there, you have to post your content. You can't be afraid to post your content. You just have to get out there and just do it. Don't watch behind this. Don't let others pass you and you seeing them living their lifestyle. You just have to close your eyes, pray, and just post the content. Just prop your camera up and you talk about your daily life. What's going on in your life, and how you budget things. You have to post it if you want to level up and share your story with others, because as I say, there's a community for everybody on YouTube. But I just wanted to get on here, this platform, and share with you guys why, if you're a single mom over 40, you should be on YouTube, because you yourself adds value to this YouTube community. So just wanted to get on here and share that with y'all. So until the next video, bye.